Hello guys, good day. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the magnetic lock. What magnetic lock is? The design of the electromagnetic lock or the magnetic lock is the same as that of the electromagnet. As long as a small current electromagnetic lock will generate a great magnetic force. The access control system that controls the power supply of the electromagnetic lock will turn off the power after identifying the correct person. And the electromagnetic lock can open the door when it loses its suction force. If you like this video, don't forget to follow us and give me a like. Thank you. Let's continue. We have different types of magnetic lock based on the pulling force. First one, 60 kg, mini size. Second one, 180 kg, 280 kg, 350 kg, and 500 kg. So this 5 type is the standard one widely used for access control system. We support OEM and ODM services. This one is OEM colorful magnetic lock. This package includes one piece of lock, one piece of suction plate, and one piece of English manual, one bag of accessories, and one piece of sticker. Security type: unlocked when power is off.